Hello everyone, maybe this is gonna be the most important video that I will record. Why? Because when you are learning some new language, the first words that we want to learn it's the bad words. So here we go. The first one, pussy, buceta, buceta, buceta. The second one, cac, caralho, caralho, caralho. Son of a bitch, filho da puta, filho da puta, filho da puta. Shit, merda, merda, merda. And the last one, fuck you, vai te fuder, vai te fuder, vai te fuder. So, don't forget to subscribe the channel and let's learn Portuguese. Um grande abraço.